Hello student, I am Mr. Shah in science classes. Today I am going to start the pressure chapters and 6 lectures. In lectures of pressure, I am going to discuss about atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure means the pressure exerted by atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. The standard value of atmospheric pressure is 760 mm of Hg. Here, the normal atmospheric pressure at is 760 mm of Hg at sea level. It means this is a normal atmospheric pressure at sea level, that is 760 mm of Hg. Mm means millimeter and of Hg means mercury. Then it means when we measure the atmospheric pressure, then 760 mm of mercury column rays in the tube of the mercury barometer. Okay, another, when as we go from Earth's surface above, then its atmospheric pressure decreases. It means at the high altitude atmospheric pressure is less. Like as the atmospheric pressures at top of the mountain is lesser than that above bottoms. Okay, it means the atmospheric pressure decreases with increase height from the Earth's surface. And this is due to, as we go at high altitude, the layer of atmosphere becomes thin, and so atmospheric pressure decreases, and so the mountaineer carry oxygen's back when climbs on the mountain, and it is due to the atmospheric pressure decreases at high altitudes. Okay, and now it is measured by, means atmospheric pressure, it is measured by barometer. It is measured by barometer. Another, this value, normal atmospheric pressure 760 mm of Hg, or another value also you can write, normal atmospheric pressure is 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, we can write also. And this is a SI value, that is it is a value in SI unit, that is the Pascal. Then how we can convert 760 mm of Hg in Pascal? Then there is a easy way, like as, and this 760 mm tell the height of mercury columns or rays of mercury column inside the capillary tube, inside the tube of the mercury barometers. Then here I am going to make, first of all, I am going to make a mercury barometers, because here barometer, there are two type of the barometer, mercury barometers and rad barometers. Then about mercury barometers I am going to discuss. Mercury barometer. Then mercury barometer, when you construct a mercury barometer, in this one. There is a glass tube. This is a mercury. Mercury. Here glass tube. And this is vacuum, and this is known as Torricelli vacuum, because this mercury barometer is an instrument and which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. And with help of the rise of the mercury column inside the glass tube, and this is made by Torricelli, and so this is known as Torricelli vacuum. Torricelli vacuum. Torricelli vacuum, and this is Torricelli vacuum. Okay, and how the atmospheric pressure measured by mercury barometers. Here mercury barometer there is, and here is mercury filled inside the vessels, and a tube, glass tube is inverted. And when the atmospheric pressure exert on the mercury, then mercury column rise in the glass tube, and by rise or fall of the mercury column inside the glass tube, the atmospheric pressure is measured. It means at the sea level, and this column is of 760 mm. It means 760 centimeters mercury columns rise in the glass tube of the mercury barometer. Then how we can measure and this value? Then there is easy. Here mercury barometer, it is a instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. And atmospheric pressure measured in mercury barometers by rise or fall of the mercury column inside the glass tube. Atmospheric pressure measured by raised or fall of mercury column inside the tube of mercury barometer. Then this value how we can calculate? We already know, and their height of mercury columns, it means h is equal to 760 mm, means millimeter. When you convert in meter, then here 760 meter cube, and G value is 9.8 meter per second square, and D value is 13,600 kg per cubic meter, and this is the density of mercury. And when we find the pressure, P is equal to SDG, then 700, it means 0.76 into 9.8 into this much Pascal. Okay, and when we calculate, then 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Okay, in this way you can calculate the value of atmospheric pressure in SI unit. Okay, okay students, this is for today. In another day I will discuss about another new topics. Okay, thank you.